We're gonna hit the trail, see some views, have some fun, and we'll bring you along. This is literally what it's like around every corner. Well, we have our first weather window without some rain, so we're gonna hit the mountains here and do some hiking. It is about a 20-mile drive on the gravel roads. Hell, just the drive out here has been pretty nice. We still got about 3 miles to go. We've just cleared most of the tree line, so we're seeing the hot air balloons that were down above our resorts. Just a little bit ago, we went by a pretty big buck that was prancing beside the road. And right before I turned this camera back on, we saw a mama deer with 2 fawns, one of which was small enough that it actually had some troubles running across the road. It was pretty awesome to see. I'm telling you, if the drive is this nice, I'm pretty stoked about how amazing this waterfall hike's going to be. We made it up the 17-mile gravel road. Welcome to 4 Mile Falls parking, I guess. We're getting all ready. Our first hike in the Rockies. They definitely got some company. Possibly going up there. I'm just not quite sure. What you think, miss? You ready?
I'm ready. We're only an hour after what we wanted to be.
In classic form. What time is it? 9:30?
9:40.
9:40, yeah. So that is about an hour after we wanted to be. But no worries. We are here, and we're gonna have some fun, right?
Tell them why we're late, John.
All right. Yeah, we are late because evidently we had too much greasy food last night, and both spent the morning with some explosive diarrhea.
Yeah. Doesn't that sound fun?
TMI, right?
Yeah.
That backed us up a little bit. Of the 17 miles of gravel roads.
Backed us up.
Yeah, didn't even try that. The 17 miles of gravel roads, we go pretty slow and eddy if it's in tough conditions, so that backed us up maybe 10 minutes as well. But
yeah, it was kind of, what do you call it, washboard?
yeah, very washboard in areas.
It was a great road, but washboardy.
Yeah, not a bad 17-mile drive at all on the gravel roads. You want to be in the mornings because this is monsoon season in Colorado, so every afternoon has heavy showers and lightning, and we're going to be up on the mountain.
Yeah, so we gotta be down before the lightning hits.
We're gonna hit the trail, see some views, have some fun, and we'll bring you along. Here's our first kind of open area. Possibly a trail split. No, just a marker. Let's take a look. Oh, it's got a trail cam. Get in there. San Juan National Forest.
Oh, very nice.
Yep, got a little trail cam there. I'm not quite sure. Wellamunchee?
Wemanutchus Wilderness? Yeah, we're terrible. We slaughtered it.
Gorgeous. Keep going down a ton of rocks.
I know, it's kind of too many rocks. Look at that though.
It is beautiful. Even in the first 3/4 of a mile or whatnot, it's stunningly beautiful. Just what's that?
Or is that just me?
Tell me more.
Did it sound like the river just shifted gears?
I don't know, maybe. After coming down the rough and rugged mountainside there, miss, opens up to a nice little valley.
Beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely. Can't see it. There's a huge rushing river right over in this direction below that mountain. Got that in the background. And stunningly beautiful valley. Little water crossing, miss. a little Garmin GPS check, and it looks like we're about a mile to mile and a half into the trail so far, and it is pretty obvious why the locals have recommended it so much. We've already done about 3 or 4 small water crossings, hiked through the thick pine forest, and it's just been open valleys with epic views of the Rockies from here on out. It is gorgeous.
Love the way it opens up, miss.
That's pretty. Very pretty.
For our first hike here, man, it's absolutely living up to it. Missy should be coming over that hill in a second. Show you the view here. It's stunning. Beautiful day. I mean, it's a little warm, but we got breeze. As we saw in the last video, got our new hats. I'll show you around a bit. It's a sweeping view. One of those could be Pagosa Peak. I'll find out. Just absolutely stunning. Down below is a river. I can hear it pretty loudly. I can't see it quite yet. And then we got me, Hot Buns!
Hot buns. I'm here.
What do you think so far of the view?
My buns are hot. Just so you know. We don't need a fire to have me be calling hot buns. The view is amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys.
Yeah, it's stunning.
Even
Sooner or later, do you think we'll run in that river?
Probably. And even if we don't like make it and have to turn around, look at what we got to see. This is amazing.
Yeah, this is stunning. Pretty much the entire way so far.
With some random
Yeah, it
trees.
is a little weird.
Yeah.
Get a little drink and continue on.
Yeah.
Bring you back for the next view. That water is.
That's cold, but
Yeah.
it's not like what I would think it would be. It's cold though.
But not like we know it.
Here, you want to feel it?
Yeah. It's definitely cold, but we ran into some cold ass mountain water.
Yeah.
Might be some thermal activity still around here from hot springs. All right, time to cross. Big water frontage.
Then all hell broke loose. All shit broke loose. Terribly.
Literally. Damn, dudes. Got the waterfall in. Look at this view.
Beautiful. The camera does it no justice, guys.
Literally. There's no way I can capture this beauty. This is literally what it's like around every corner. Just stunning. Can you hear these crazy ass
Guys,
grasshoppers? Flying grasshoppers that you're always gonna know where they are. All right, anybody know what type of berry this is? All over up here in Pagosa and Boulder area. I guess I don't know my berries the best, but if you know, throw a comment in there. I'd love to know. Not a bad backdrop. We've definitely hit the ups. Let me show you. Just rock crawling all the way up. Absolutely beautiful. Once again, this is what makes the hike amazing. That is absolutely beautiful. That last bit was a climb. Hope you can hear me over this waterfall. Absolutely stunning.
Wow.
Let's get closer and check it out, guys. We'll walk on the side. We won't go down there. Heck yeah. 2.5. We made it.
We made it.
That flat must have went. I was like, what is that? Thought I laughed my hat. Lunchtime, lunch break.
Water.
Getting our waters in. And as you can probably hear in the background, this is how we do lunch break.
What?
Not bad. Not bad at all.
You missed it, guys. There was the coolest bird. He was bouncing around, bobbing and weaving. He was crazy.
He's having a good day. He was doing some dancing for sure. Not bad backdrop either. I've had worse lunch spots. This ain't bad at all. It's the second climb you can do. Brings you these 2 additional waterfalls. It's beautiful up here. I'll show you around. That shit was straight up. All right, let's take a look. That's what I'm talking about. Hell of a climb to get here. Pretty steep, not for everybody, on some rocks, but let's see if I can get closer. Wow. All right. I did not get to this second viewing point the correct way. I had to bushwhack. So let's hope I can get there now. Back to Missy. This is what I'm telling you. Can you see Missy all the way down there? You might not even be able to, but she's down there. Oofta, I gotta climb back down that now. All right, low and slow, here we go. Probably about 1.5 to 2 hour hike back to the van before monsoon season hits us.
Yeah.
Let's get after it. It's been a beautiful day. This is a home run. 4 Mile Falls.
4 Mile Trail, yep, 4 Mile
All
Falls.
right, get at it.
Well, a little story time on the walk back. So I found out why the trail to the 2 additional falls was so treacherous. Last week in the torrential downfalls, it washed out. So that was just a rock slide that I was hiking on. And when a local tried to do it about a half hour before me, they ran into a mama bear and a couple cubs. So that was definitely an interesting hike. Could have gone wrong.
Absolutely beautiful. Holy crap, Missy. That is gorgeous.
I know, right? Isn't it cool? That's cool. It's the dark.
Stunning!
Nat and been back. So that's why she said she was gonna wait for you.
Yeah.
But then, you know,
If she's down at her
she
car.
waited a good 10 minutes with her mom.
Oh, that was her mom?
I think it was her mom.
That's right. I seen him get out of the thing together.
Yeah. And
God, even the valley is just beautiful. Strikingly view behind us. Gosh. I'd come out here and hike this every single day if I had the chance.
right?
Stunning.
It's just so pretty.
Yeah, it's killer.
I love that bald.
It is kind of out of place. I don't know if I'll get a picture of it, but just a sporadic bald there. You're gonna find yourself on the 4 Mile Falls hike. Really over half of it is just a nice, calm, relaxing hike. Showed you the valley earlier, but I mean, this is just meandering, if you will. Very, very laid back, easy hike. Dog friendly. We've seen quite a few dogs. Yeah, I wouldn't be too worried about coming out here if you're thinking about it. The extra special hike I did to the second waterfall, which is not even on the map or the angle here. I don't know if I'd recommend.
I saw 6 dogs, John.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so 6 dogs, that sounds about right. That trail was washed out when I went up there and I didn't know it until I got back. So that's why it's so rough and rugged. We will continue walking down the trail, and it's as you can see, it's nice, not too much grade change. We'll be in a valley in a little bit, but easy hike. And just like that, guys, with my heavy breathing, 4 Mile Falls Trail is complete, and it was beautiful, stunning. I think, Miss, absolute home run.
Yeah, this one was great. This one was,
Just scenery on the way, man.
yeah. And it was long. It was what, 8 miles?
We'll be, I think, with what we did, about a little over 7, I think.
Okay.
I'll take
Close
a look.
enough.
Yeah. Definitely a few cars in the parking lot left. There's 2 trails that come out of here. But an 8 mile trail, or nearly 8 miles, you don't see, we didn't pass many people. We got Eddie there. I am really looking forward to that. That cold bang. It is going to be phenomenal. Oh, let's get this heavy, not heavy, but sweaty pack off. Much better. Yep, we've been sweating.
Look at my pack.
See the back of Missy's shirt there? Can you see that darker? All sweat. Pack is soaked.
The pack is soaked.
Time for a cold bang, Missy?
I think so.
All right, I'm gonna hit the restroom and let's have something cold to drink.
Heck yeah.
Oddly enough, at about 10,000 feet and about 17 miles into the National Forest roads, they're grading for the day. They're servicing the roads, so a little longer drive back. But nice to see them maintain the National Forest roads. Overall, we're looking at about a 45 to 50 minute drive back. I mean, it pretty much all looks like this, so it is absolutely gorgeous. We're in no hurry. probably stop in at a brewery, call it a day, and we will see you on the next adventure.